Good morning, student. Welcome back. As in English grammar, today, after letter writing, today I am going to explain chapter 9, similes and proverbs. What are the importance of similes? What are similes? Similes means the word simile means the same as or similar to. If we are using the same words as similar as the same meaning, so this word is called the similes. How can you represent? For example, you can see as proud as a peacock. As proud as a peacock. Have you seen peacock? Peacock is a bird. Peacock can dance. Peacock can spread out its wings. So like that, this is the word as in the part of the sentence maybe, as in the part of the phrase maybe, as proud as a peacock, as cool as ice, as bright as gold. Any you can represent as bright as gold, as clean as a new pin. Have you seen pin? So as clean as a new pin, as busy as a bee. Have you seen bee? Bee is an insect. If you have seen bee, so also you can watch carefully. A bee always is found in busy. A bee always is found in busy animal. So you can see, you can represent similes as means same as, similar to. Meaning is same as or similar to. If we are comparing the personality of a person, if we are comparing the any characteristics, any types of the importance, any types of merits of any animal, of anything, even as human beings also, so you can represent as using similes. Like that, you can see exercise first. Before exercise first, it is given some words. As proud as a peacock, as light as a feather. It means light means one light means as gleams, spread out all directions. You can see the object with the help of light. And one light means not heavy. One light means not heavy. You can pick up very fast. You can lift it very fast. You can't feel heaviness as to lifting the items. It means light. So as light as feather. Feather Feather means as part of the wings of any bird. So as light as feather. You can see feather can blow out anywhere with the help of wind. As clean as new pin, as cool as cucumber. Cucumber, one type of vegetable, cucumber. As smooth as velvet. Velvet, one type of cloth. Velvet is very soft, so soft. One type of cloth. So as smooth as velvet. As fresh as daisy. Daisy, one type of flower. As busy as a bee. As happy as a lark. Lark is one type of bird. It is found always as chirping and looking very happy. So lark. As sweet as honey, as sweet as sugar, as sweet as jaggery, Also you can see as fit as fiddle. In this way you can compare items what is given with the similes. You can see exercise first, fill in the blanks with the similes given above. Disease wise is as sweet as cuckoo. You know cuckoo? Cuckoo sings very sweet. So disease wise is as sweet as cuckoo. Today mother is as busy as a bee. Today mother is as busy as a bee. Third, in her white saree, she looked as cool as cucumber. In her white saree, she looked as cool as a dove. Dove is one type of bird, very peaceful bird. Dove, pigeon. Like that also you can compare, but with the cucumber also you can compare. Fourth, the little children were as happy as a lark. The little children were as happy as a lark. My new kilt is as light as a feather. My new kilt is as light as a feather. So like that you can express, you can give the answer of exercise first. After also I will give the solution in your study material next day. A proverb. What is a proverb? Proverb is a wise saying. So I will explain tomorrow for today's class. Thank you.